Racing just is started. We have Latieriga first to show quickness at the start. Panganibo in the middle portion. Masaganang Ani rushing up on the outside. Security General. Then comes Maaliwala, Shuttler's Treasure, Loretta, Blushing Star, Rising Star. Then next online is Quick Storm, while entry number 4, Code of Love, is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Security General by about 5 lengths. And in second is La Cienega. Moving up now on the outside is Blushing Star. In the middle portion, Maaliwala's Rising Star comes next. Then followed over by Loretta. Masaganang Ani comes next. Then followed over by Panganiboy. Then next online is Shuttler's Treasure, Quick Storm, while Code of Love is still racing in less than at a far turn. We have Security General by about a length, and in second is Blushing Star. Maaliwalas now trying to get closer in third. Moving up now on the outside is Shuttler's Treasure, and as they swing for home, we have Security General by about 2 lengths. Moving up now on the outside is Shuttler's Treasure to take the lead. We have Shuttler's Treasure now takes command. Security General, Maaliwalas, and finally it's Shuttler's Treasure, Maaliwalas, Security General, Blushing Star, Loretta, and Latienega for your Super 6.
628, 1091.
Tama. It was Shuttler's Treasure. Finally, dumraduate na si